Hey Mustangs, we're here at Salt Lake Community College to talk to an associate director in the financial aid office to talk to you about how you can start preparing to pay for college. Let's take a look.
Hi Mustangs, I'm here at Salt Lake Community College with the Assistant Director of Financial Aid, Caroline Vetters. She's going to tell you a little bit about how you can pay for your college education.
Okay, so I'm happy that I am here to discuss with you about how to pay for college. First and foremost, I know that you guys are junior high, so what I would think about first and foremost is maybe starting a savings account and just kind of putting some of the money from what your mom gives you, or for birthdays or for Christmases or whatever type of money that you get for special occasions, and start putting that into a savings account. Also, if you are starting to work, that's something to think about as well. When you get older and you get into high school, they will start talking about what is called the FAFSA, which is the free application for federal student aid, which helps students pay for college. There is free money, and there's also federal student loans to help pay for college as well. But that's something that you would find out about when you get into high school and also in college. But something else to help pay for that would be some type of savings. Also, another thing what I would have students look into is scholarships. Scholarships is a great way to pay for money. Pay for school. That's free money that you don't have to pay back. And that's one thing that we like to encourage students to do and start researching about in order to help pay for college and not have to take out as many federal student loans for students to help pay for college. We at Salt Lake Community College, and also a lot of other colleges in the state, do have our own scholarships that you can apply for when you get into high school and qualify for, but it's also something that there are a lot of things that are based upon merit. So you want to make sure that you're watching those grades and you're attending school and, you know, acing those math tests to make sure that you can qualify for that GPA for those merit scholarships. And I would say those are probably the main things that will be able to help for college if you plan ahead, start saving, prepare, to fill out the FAFSA, and also be prepared to fill out those scholarship applications. Also, another thing that I would suggest is that there are a lot of communities, organizations and companies that are willing to help students out to pay for college. So maybe writing a letter to a bank and saying, hey, I want to go into business and financing, and would you be able to be willing to help me out? Any money will help. Maybe if it's only $100, but at least it's $100 that just paid for your education for free. And so that's something that I suggest to students is write to your community, write to organizations, and see if they'd be willing to help with your education. And you'll be surprised about how many want to participate into that. So those are some of my suggestions.
Thank you so much for sharing those with us. Remember, if you guys have any questions, please come see us in the Counseling Center.
Thanks, Caroline and Miss Joe, for that awesome information about how to pay for college. Now let's take the rest of Mustang Room to work on our college application and essay.